Health Occupations program at Riverside is a CTE program, career and technical education, for students interested in pursuing a career in the healthcare field after high school. We teach employability skills, interpersonal skills, infection controls. Everyone will get CPR certified in our base level classes. So even if they don't end up pursuing the program, they still come out of that first class with a lot of life skills that are going to be useful.
I've learned what I want to go more into and like the side of the healthcare, like if I want to be more in the techie stuff or the hands-on stuff. And we've learned a lot about like where we can go and what we have to do that.
The community support has been great. So many people have been willing to come in and talk to our kids and really give them a day in the life of their career and how they got there. We've had dentistry, dental assistants, dental hygienists. We've had someone from OHSU, the Night Cancer Institute. We've had emergency services, so we've had Tualatin Valley Fire and Rescue, EMS, EMT.
I thought like firefighters just put out fires and stuff, but they brought out like a bunch of like kits of like the medicine and like a bunch of the tools that I didn't know that they used.
We have been so fortunate in having the equipment and space that we do here for our program. We are able to hands-on practice things like moving patients, cleaning beds, talking to patients, all of our CPR equipment we've been able to purchase and have here for the kids to have hands-on. Talking about infection control, we just have like the personal protective equipment that they'll see in a hospital. We have the tools that they have in a hospital. Giving them that hands-on practice with that stuff, I think, is really crucial to being successful. It's one thing to talk about healthcare and talk about working in healthcare, but being placed in a scenario with real equipment and patient mannequins that you're simulating these real life things on is a little different.
It's really cool having everything because you get to see how it works, and I've got to test a couple things on my classmates, and it's really fun seeing what works and how it works.
So we do have a club that goes along with Health Occupations. It's called HOSA, Future Health Professionals. It's a global organization for students ranging from middle school to college. It's very student-led, student-organized. They can go around to different competitions. We do sponsor every month, raising awareness about a certain disease. So we've done breast cancer awareness in October. November was epilepsy awareness. In the future, we plan to host things like a blood drive or essentials drive, those kind of things, to really just focus on health-oriented things.
Even if you're not a fully hands-on learner, you still have other ways to explore the healthcare field and other ways to be involved in healthcare.
Upon completing our program here, we are establishing as a pre-apprenticeship. So they will leave our program if they complete it with a pre-apprenticeship certificate, which gives them points on an application to pursue an apprenticeship after high school. We are partnered right now with 2 apprenticeships in healthcare, one for medical assisting, Allied West, and one for certified nursing assistant, which is long-term care work. So students after high school, after they've graduated and have this pre-apprenticeship certificate from us, they can apply to these apprenticeships, and those apprenticeships are things where they will start working and earning money while they're getting their certification. And then after that piece, they can really jump off of there and progress if they want to, or work as a CNA completely debt-free, which is huge for a lot of kids. Pretty much talk to anyone in healthcare right now and they will tell you that there is a shortage in pretty much every aspect of healthcare. They're great careers that you can progress through. You can start out at a very entry-level position with little training or experience and kind of work your way up a ladder, and there's always going to be a need for it. So it's a great field to get into.